Hi everybody, this is BsnTech Networks bringing to you a video tutorial on your website builder. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to set up a blog. The first thing that you need to do is create a new page that's called blog. So in here we're going to go ahead and click on pages, and then we're going to hit add new. Now you can name this page whatever you'd like, but all you have to do is just type in something like blog. And then you'll come down here and hit publish. Alright, so the blog page is done. The next step that you have to do is tell your website builder what page or what link it should use to be your blog. To do so, hover over settings and then go to reading right here. And then you will see by default we have set your front page to home, but you need to set your posts page or your blog to the blog page. So click on that and choose blog. Finally, save changes. The next step is to actually begin creating posts or articles. So in here you will click on posts, and currently there are no posts or blog articles on the site. Before we get into that, we're also going to speak about categories. Categories will allow you to categorize your blog posts into different categories based on the subject matter. If you plan to just have one blog and lump everything in there, that's perfectly fine. In other cases, some individuals like to categorize their blog posts to make it easier for their visitors. As an example, BsnTech Networks has a variety of blogs on our website, such as the website design, our customer blog, a gardening blog, and more. So we created categories to help make those easier for our customers. So you will click on categories, and the default one is uncategorized. But you can change and add another one if you'd like. So we're going to call this one category. Just simple enough. And then we come down here and hit add a new category. And then it is shown here. Alright, so let's go back to the posts and let's create a post. So we hit add new. Posts are very much like creating pages of your website. You have the standard web editor down here. You can add media such as pictures easily. So the first thing is we will want to make a title. Test blog post. Hi everyone. This is our first blog post. Thank you for looking. Alright, so that's where you'll type in your blog post, provide the information. Scroll down here, we need to choose what category this belongs to. As you can see, it's uncategorized, or there's also category. If you do not check these, it will go into the uncategorized category by default. So in this case, I want to create just category. So I'm going to click there. And then I will hit publish. The next thing that you also need to do is to actually create a menu item to your blog so that way individuals can actually get to it. To do so, hover over Appearance and then choose Menus. Under the menu, this is where you can create a new menu. So we're just going to call this menu, create. We need to hit primary menu, save. And then here we want to add the home page since it was not added before. And then we can hit the blog. Now in addition to blog, you could actually make a drop down menu under blog. And this is especially like with the BsnTech Network site, this is what we did. So we have a drop-down menu under blog, and then we can choose a category. So I'm going to click on this, hit add to menu, and then it was going to automatically place it here, but if we click and drag it just a little inwards, you will now see it's going to be a sub-item under blog. Now we're going to hit save menu. Okay, so what does this look like on the website now? Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so this is our basic home page, and then here is blog. So we click on blog, and it's automatically going to give the first blog post. It's got June 9th, which is today's date, and then there's the blog post. If we wanted to drill down and be more specific to only have blog articles based on a specific category, then we can hover over, and because we added category as that submenu item, we have category. So click on that. And while it does look the same right now, if you were to have 7 or 8 different blog posts and you had categorized them, only those that were in this category would appear on this page. Whereas if you simply clicked on blog, all of them would be under here. Well, that takes care of the blog management, or how to set up a blog with your website builder account. If you have any questions, certainly get in touch with our tech support by going to BsnTech.com, and we'll be glad to assist you. Thanks for watching. This is Brian with BsnTech Network.